won 4 matches. Mumbai Indians lost 4 matches. Interesting. Two teams from Maharashtra, one winning all the matches, one losing all the matches. Very good. Bhayanak boys into their 4th match. Delhi Capitals. Bhayanak won the toss, elected to field. Hey, player का नाम Aniket and Satish. सतीश, आपको रन दौड़ना जरूरी है इस बार. लास्ट बॉल पे आपने रन नहीं दौड़ा. Bowler will come. Will announce the bowler's name. Yogesh, I suppose Yogesh will bowl the first over. Is it Yogesh? Yogesh will bowl the first over. Yes. और ये 50वां बर्थडे है क्या आपका? 50 साल के हो गए. आजा आजा. Aniket will face Yogesh. Satyavan is the umpire for this match. पुरानी बॉलों का हिसाब मांगते हुए ऑर्गेनाइजर. योगेश टू अनिकेत. Organizer got answer for his question on balls. Yes, Yogesh. Good shot for 2 runs. पैर बार था. Yes, 2D. पैर बाहर रख के पकड़ा ना. रन कितना है? रन 2D. अरे ये 2D था क्या? 2D नहीं था. That was a dot ball. वाइड बॉल से पहले वाला डॉट बॉल. एक मिनट. पहला वाला डॉट बॉल, दूसरा वाइड. अनिकेत, योगेश टू अनिकेत. किसको लगा? वाइड बॉल एंड 1 एक्स्ट्रा था. 1+1. यस, वाइड +1. 1 more वाइड. इसको लगा डाला तो लाइव जिंगल आला. वन ऑफ आवर स्पॉन्सर्स. थांबा. बॉल थोड़ा स्लो टाका. चार रन झाला. वेरी गुड. 4 दौड़े बना ली है. 1 दौड़ और बनाई है. आर्यन कमिंग टू योगेश. योगेश, हाँ सब वाइड ही डाला. 2 ही हुआ. 2 बॉल 4 ना. 2 बॉल. ये वाला वाइड था. One D. Finally, first run coming off the bat. Good shot for 2 runs. 2 runs. Aniket looks angry now. Oh, he dropped it. Went into his stomach. Still he dropped it. That was a golden chance. Aniket. Is that out? Yes. Satish again. Satish again. It doesn't seem to be happy with his performance today. End of over 1. 7 runs. Most of coming off wide balls. Aniket. Amar is the bowler. Vivek Palau is non-striker's end. That's a good shot for 2 runs. One ball, 2 runs. We can hear Papa Papa sound from all over. Good shot for 2. Very good shot. Used the gap well and got 2 runs for his shot. Aniket. It's a wide ball. Bowler under pressure. Wide ball. That's out. Finally, Amar should be happy with his bowling performance. Amar doesn't look fit. Still, he is giving his Raj, the star batsman. Oh, that's misfield. Got carried away. Shant bhai, Shant. Shant Jala. Oh. Raj threw everything with the bat, but the ball did not hit. The bat did not hit the ball only. Finally, he came out of the crease and got 1 run. Yes. End of over. 14 runs. 14 runs. 2 dots, 1 wide, 1 wicket, 1 run, 1 dot, 1 run. Rishi, ball number 3, Rishi. Pink Panthers. Oh, sorry, Bhayanak Boys. 14 runs, 14, 1-4, 14 after 2 overs. That's a good ball. Is that out? Misfielding and +2. Overthrow ka 2 run. 1 + 2. Total 3 runs. Raj got lucky. Got 3 runs off last ball. Raj needs to run faster. Rishi, ball number 2. Good shot for 2. Easy 2. Vivek. Good shot for 2 runs. Another good shot for 2 runs. Yes. He's happy today. He's angry today. Ball number 4. That's wide. That was funny. Yes. Oh, that was a stumping chance. Wicketkeeper missed it. 4 balls. Yes. Ball number 5. Oh, good shot. Out. That's out. Broke the box. Cemented box. It's broken by the tennis ball. By a tennis ball. Captain is on strike. Last ball. 3rd over. Last ball. Score is 22. Harendra. Captain is on strike. Harendra Vishwakarma. Bhagwan Vishwakarma's avatar. Harendra Vishwakarma. Not out. Not out. He did not collect the ball. 2 runs. 1 + 2. 1 + 1. 1 + 1. 2 runs. It did not collect the ball. And bowler's name please. Prashant Gujjar. End of the over. Batsman did not know about it. Yeah. So a player guiding his captain how to play. Arendra Vishwakarma. No ball. Is it a no ball? Yes. No ball +2. 3 runs. 1 + 2. 1 + 2. Yes. Thank you, Rakesh. 1 + 2. One more no ball. Yes. No ball. 1 + 2. 1 + 2. Repeat. 1 + 2. 1 + 2. Last 2 balls. 3 runs. 3-3. No ball. White ball. I will announce it for you. First ball 1 + 2. Second ball 1 + 2. Third ball wide or no, whatever you want to take it. Wide ball. 1 + 2, 1 + 2 and 1 run. एक भी बॉल नहीं हुआ. एक भी बॉल नहीं हुआ अभी तक. नो बॉल. एक भी बॉल नहीं हुआ है. +7, 20, 31, 30. 31 after 3 overs. अरे वो प्रेशर ले रहा है. हाँ मिट्टी मिट्टी. यस. तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा. That's good. Stay grounded. No problem. Good fielding. Good fielding. Good fielding. Yes. Players, winning and losing is just the outcome. You need to give your 100%. So be committed to your game. Thank you. Amrit Wani of the day. Ball number 2. Raj, the star batsman of Delhi Capitals. Yes. Ball number 2. It's a wide. The batsman got off balanced. More because of his fitness issues. Less because of his commitment. Yes. One more wide. Easy 1. That was a 1. Easy single. What are you waiting for? Raj, he wants to win single-handedly for his team. That's out. Raj got out. Run out. Arun Saini. Teen ball. Yes, teen ball. 34 run, 34 runs. Oh, good ball. That was a good ball. 2 deep. It was a good ball. Beautiful ball. One more 2D. 2D. 2D से पहले एक वाइड आया था. 39 highest score of the tournament. One more 2D. 41 already on board. 4 overs. Highest score of the tournament, 41 runs. Not because of batsman's performance, more because of bowler's weakness. Too many extras conceded. Team needs 42 runs to win of 4 overs. Strike rate of 10.5. So Arendra scored 13 runs. 12 runs coming from extras in first inning. 42 required to win of 4 overs. 12 रन एक्स्ट्रा का दिया है लास्ट ओवर में. अमर ऑन स्ट्राइक. आर्यन इज ऑन नॉन स्ट्राइक. हरेंद्र के बाद हाईएस्ट स्कोर है एक्स्ट्रास का, 12 रन एक्स्ट्रास का। तुषार सबसे ज्यादा मैन ऑफ द मैच अवार्ड देने वाले प्लेयर हमारे पास बैठे हुए हैं। 4 मैच में 4 मैन ऑफ द मैच अवार्ड दिए हैं कैप्टन ने। अमर इज ऑन स्ट्राइक। विवेक टू अमर, गुड शॉट फॉर 2 रन्स। 2 रन्स। बॉल 1, 2 रन्स। बॉल नंबर 2। 1 more, 1D। 1D। Ball। Ball number 3. Very good ball. He slowed it in the air, wanted to beat the batsman. Batsman turned out to be smarter than the bowler. One dot, yes. 4 balls. Good shot for Satish. Out. सतीश जो पहली बॉल पे आउट हो रहे थे, आज एक रन बचाया अपनी टीम के लिए। शुड बी प्राउड ऑफ हिमसेल्फ टुडे। ग्रीन कलर का ब्राइट शूज पहन के आए हैं। 4 रन बनाए हैं पहले ओवर के बाद, 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर। क्या सतीश काफी शॉपिंग किया है इस मैच के लिए, टूर्नामेंट के लिए। नया कपड़ा लिया है, नया जूता लिया है। आर्यन इज द न्यू बैट्समैन। Aryan is on strike. Rishi is on non-strike. Sattu. Sattu is the bowler. Aryan is the batsman. Good tap. Is that a single? Oh, that was close. हरेंद्र विश्वकर्मा, 10वें अवतार भगवान राम के, भगवान विष्णु के, हरेंद्र विश्वकर्मा। सत्तू, बॉल नंबर 2। Should go for, oh, very good fielding. The beautiful attempt. Is that out? Bat was in the air. How could you be so careless? Ball number 3. Sattu. One run. 1D. Yes. One more run. Ball number 4. Yes. एक रन। डॉट से पहले 2D था। डॉट से पहले 2D था। यस। 7 रन। यस। 1 second. One more dot. विकेट के बाद 2D था, उसके बाद डॉट, उसके बाद डॉट। 7 रन after 2 overs. Captain facing captain. Brijesh versus Harendra. Oh, slowed it in the air. He checked his shot. Good shot for 2 runs. 2. Yes. The required rate 33 required of 10 balls. a boundary required on each ball. Yes, almost a boundary on each ball. No ball, 3 runs, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, 3 runs. Out. Birju threw his wicket away. Almost a no ball. The ball got counted, run got counted, wicket got counted, everything got counted. Yes. Yogesh. Dot ball. Began with a dot ball. It would have been a good shot if we were playing open arm cricket, overarm cricket. Bad shot for a box cricket. Out. Bhayanak boys, one by one, throwing their wickets away. 12 रन 3 ओवर के लास्ट बॉल है 3 ओवर्स यस भयानक बॉयज ऐसा लग रहा है साइकिल स्टैंड की तरह एक साइकिल गिराया सारा साइकिल साथ में गिर रहा है प्रसाद नॉन स्ट्राइक पे प्रसाद है स्ट्राइक पे ऋषि है डॉट और 2 पहला बॉल डॉट था दूसरा बॉल पे 2 रन One more run. बाहर से कोई बॉल लेके आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है Two. Is it a 2? Yes, 2D. Good fielding. Aniket, Rishi. No ball. 2 runs. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. 2. Over. End of the over. सबसे ज्यादा रन दिए हैं एक्स्ट्रा स्कोर बोर्ड स्कोर समरी प्लीज So we have Harendra scoring 13 runs. Harendra taking 3 wickets. So Delhi Capitals captain gets the man of the match award. Harendra Vishwakarma taking 3 wickets, scoring 13 runs.